G'day, here's a deal of Nobby Opal from Lightning Ridge. It's mostly crystal material, that's why it's fluorescing a little, I think, in the pictures. It's not quite as purple blue as what it is. I have colour balanced the camera, but if I put something else with it, it tends to bring the colour back down a little bit. Anyway, I'll pick them up and show you in a second. I'll just go in a little bit closer. Okay, the rule was in millimetres and the material has been wetted. As you can see, fairly sort of solid crystal piece. Some of these pieces lend themselves to carving, fairly sort of undulating. Half tempted to give them a go myself. Don't forget you can stop the video at any time if you want to have a bit better look. Like I say, these lend themselves to being carved rather than trying to make domed stones out of it. This is the biggest piece. It's probably got the least amount of colour. Still got some colour in it, but not as great as those other pieces. And on this little bit, lucky last. Still cut a nice little stone. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.